So this video is going to be showing you guys which motorcycles you should buy as a new rider, and stay tuned until the end to find out which brands are the best. Again, this is subjective and this is based on my personal opinion. This one here is a Aprilia. It's Italian, it's expensive. I do not recommend it. It is hard to work on. Known for making beautiful bikes. Oh my god, do I love Aprilia bikes. But because of that, I can't. Beautiful, but do not get it as a new rider. I almost want to put it as a D, but because I love them, I'm gonna have to put it C. BMW cars are known for being expensive. Same with the bikes. Same with maintenance and things like that. It's expensive. I almost want to put it above Aprilia for reliability. I'm gonna leave it there. Well, I don't know too much about the company, to be honest. So because of that, I'm gonna just put it C. I don't know nothing about the company. Ducati, I own one. Same with Aprilia, super expensive. Do not get it. That's your first bike. But if you're missing experience, it's too expensive. Parts, everything, they have to ship it from Italy. Anything Italian, don't do it to start with. Get the experience first. Harley Davidsons, I haven't met anybody that has a Harley Davidson that actually is able to ride their bike year long. It's always in the garage. They're always fixing it. It's always something. Not only are they expensive, but that's the problem with them. From what I heard, I never owned one, just people that I know. So because of that, I'm gonna have to put Harley Davidson actually below, because not only are they expensive, but they're always broken. Why do you want a bike that's always broken? I'm gonna have to put Honda S tier, just because they're cheap, they're reliable, and what else can you ask for? They're easy to work on as a bike compared to Aprilia or Ducati. Indian motorcycle, I'm gonna have to put it as a B. Price range for me personally, is definitely above Harley Davidson. Liability is much more than a Harley. That's, I'm gonna have to put Kawasaki. I had 3 Kawasaki's so far. Super reliable. I never had an issue with any of them. Not a single time I have to broke down on any issues. The parts super cheap. Same with Honda, cheap. What can you say about that? It's cheap. KTM, the problem with KTM is they have a history of their dirt bike engines blowing up. That is no longer the case. They are a lot more reliable, especially than they used to be. But because a lot of motorcycle owners have a bad opinion about them, I'm gonna have to put it in C tier because of its history. But it is a lot more reliable now. Suzuki, I never owned one. I don't really know too much people that own a Suzuki, but I'm assuming it's gonna be around the price range of Honda, Kawasaki, the Jitsu Bros and everything else like that. I'm not gonna be happy, but I'm gonna have to put it under Honda, Kawasaki, just because I can't state for them. I just know that the price range is around these brands. Triumph, I heard they're not the most reliable, so because of that, I'm gonna have to put it as a C. Victory is owned by Indian, so I'm gonna have to put it as the same category. A lot of newer Indian bikes have the same style as Victory and stuff like that because they bought them out. And if you have an older Victory, sometimes you could buy Indian parts for your Victory. The last one's Yamaha. I think most people don't know where this is gonna go. It's in the same category as these three brands. In my opinion, these are the best three brands to buy as a new rider. Get a 650 Kawasaki or something like that, and you'll be set for a while. Or Honda Rebel 500, I recommend that one too. Also, if you're into cruisers, Honda Rebel 500. If you're into sport bikes, Kawasaki 650 are two good starter bikes with some power.